Today, we're going to be checking out one of the top rated apps for productivity and habit building. So, as you may or may not know, I struggle with staying focused and doing habits. So, to the point where if I don't know if I've done it or not, I kind of just think in my mind, I think I did that. I don't know. Did I have water today? Did I have 8 glasses of water? Did I have a vegetable today? Did I avoid sweets? I'm not really sure. I know. How could I forget? I just do. I'm thinking about 100 different things all at once. And at the same time, I am also thinking about 1,000 other things I want to do. And I'm also watching TV and I'm scrolling through social media. If that sounds familiar to you, then you might want to check out the Wisey app to, I guess, make you wiser. But it's a really cool app where it's simple. So as you know, some of the apps I've tried in the past, and I don't know if you've done this too, they're trying to give you everything in the kitchen sink. And you're just kind of I have no idea what is going on with this app, what I need to track, what I don't need to track. What's my status for today? Because there are so many things going on in this app. I'm so confused. So Wisey does not do that. And it does it really cheaply. So should I say cheaply? I guess affordable, very affordably. How's that? So I am going to share my screen with you, my phone screen, so you can follow along. All right, so as you can see, I don't really have a lot of things on my phone because I already get easily distracted. So on here, you're going to see these are the habits that either I want to track and make them a better habit, like going to the gym, taking a run, all of those things. And also habits that I want to get rid of, like eating sweets, which, in the last year, I've lost 20 pounds, which 100% is due to just giving up processed sugar. I'm not zero sugar, but just giving up, croissants, cupcakes, brownies, cheesecake, things like that has made the night and day difference. You could lose 20 pounds just from using this app. So let's go through. So in here, the first one is read. So I do want to read more. So if I read today, it's so easy. All I have to do is tap on it and it's done. I can check it off that it's done for the day. And so you can see it's purple, has the check mark. It's green with the check mark for meditate. It's red for the check mark with mark. And then reduce social media is yellow because I leave on the timer on my phone, which reduces it to less than 30 minutes a day. Otherwise, I get a notification. So even if I wanted to, I can't go through more social media. And then the other part too is eat vegetables. So I actually had vegetables this morning with breakfast because I like to just get it out of the way. Drink water. Now, the only thing I haven't checked off is eat fewer sweets because this is something that I really can't say yes or no to till kind of the end of the day when I'm wrapping up. I'm brushing my teeth for right before I go to bed, and I know that I have not had any sweets. So if you want to add a habit, all you do is hit the plus sign here at the bottom, and you can go through. They actually have a lot of things because I know if you're like me, you're I don't know what I should work on. Why don't you just give me some ideas? So they have some here, but they also have, so create a custom habit. So you can do one of two things. You can build a habit or break a habit. So for me, I want to say build a habit, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. And I'm going to say lift weights. And this is because I have only been lifting weights maybe 2 days a week. I don't want to say I'm slacking. It's easier to run for me than it is to lift weights. And so I guess that's me being lazy, even though it sounds still counterintuitive. Running for me is being lazy because I'm not putting the work in. So my goal is I can say, we don't want to go crazy. I'm just going to go ahead and say 20 minutes. And then over here, again, you can change your mind again at the last minute from build a habit to break a habit. I wish this was such a great habit that I had to break it. I'm working out too much and lifting too many weights. That is not the case. So over here, you can choose a start date. Maybe you're thinking, hey, It's the holidays. I don't really want to do this during Christmas. You can do that and just say, you know what? I'm going to wait and start this in January. We'll say January 2nd because gyms usually aren't open on a holiday. And we'll say 2026. And then there's no pressure on me to like work on this and see it like the guilt, right? Every day that I haven't lifted weights. I won't see this until January 2nd. And then I can change the color. I can make it yellow, purple, pink, whatever kind of like motivates me and that little check mark that I see. So we're going to use white because that is the Pantone color of the year for 2026 is Cloud Dancer. And then we are going to select the frequency. So I want to do this, let's say every day of the week. Just 20 minutes, even if it's just abs, right? So I'm going to go ahead and say save. And then when January 2nd rolls around, I will see this on my dashboard here on my phone for January 22nd, and then January 3rd, and January 4th, and 5th, and 6th, and et cetera. So I can like keep tracking it. So here's the thing. There's nothing else to show you, because it's just that simple. So like if you wanted to take something, so like take a walk, so you can hit the little pencil icon here at the top right, and you can say, you know what, I am somebody who does not think in kilometers, right? So you could go ahead and you could change this. So we could delete the kilometers and we could instead say 2 miles. So I want to walk at least 2 miles because that's about how long it takes me to like get around the neighborhood here. So I'm going to say 2 miles every single day. And I want to change this over here to, let's say, green because it reminds me of being outside and seeing the grass. So I'm going to go ahead and say save. And also you could, I don't know if you noticed, let me go back in. You can set a reminder. So you don't have to always keep going in the app. It can like send a reminder to you. And if you're like me and you have an Apple Watch, it will also send those reminders to your Apple Watch as well. So you don't have to be on your phone all the time. So that is my new habit. And then also inside of here, you can see like how many days in a row you've been doing. Now I just started using this, so you can't like tell, but this way I can see I have done 100% 1 out of 1 day. So I feel like pretty good. Pat myself on the back for that. So that is the whole app in a nutshell. It is like amazing. It's helped me so much. So I think if you were thinking about, and again, these could be like secret habits that you want to break, you know what they are, or something you just are kind of embarrassed and don't want everyone to see. It's only going to be on your app and only you will see it. So definitely check out the Wisey app. It's very affordable. It's easy to use. It's simple. It sends those reminders to your Apple Watch, to your phone, those notifications. And also the best part is you can see just quickly at a glance. Like it's not going to take up any more of your brain power, which don't worry, trust me, I get it. It is already focused on like 100 different things. So you can just look at the Wisey app and go on with your day and check in and know that you're on track to like successfully build a new habit or stop a new habit. So make sure to download the Wisey app. It works on iPhone and Android. I guess I should say iOS, but you know what I mean. It works on your phone, and then you can start using it. I know I love it. And if you decide you don't want it, there's no risk either. It's like a 30-day trial and you could cancel it if it doesn't work out for you. All right, well, let me know in the comments below what you think of Wisey and if it worked out for you. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, productive, and positive habit forming or negative habit breaking day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.